Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to set up EasyMesh. EasyMesh lets you combine different compatible routers and Wi-Fi extenders into one big seamless Wi-Fi network, so your devices never drops connection while moving around your home. It's just like owning a mesh Wi-Fi system, but here it is not compulsory for you to own each node or satellite from the same brand. You can check video given on our channel which explains briefly about Easy Mesh. Link given in the description. Now let's begin its setup. First, make sure your main router and the extenders that you want to connect in Easy Mesh both supports Easy Mesh. You can add more routers or extenders too as per your needs in the future. And you can look for the Easy Mesh logo on the box or in the router settings to check for their compatibility. Now, we need to first make sure our router is already set up. If not, you can check video given in the description to learn how to set up your router and how to log in into its web management page. So connect to your main router's app or web interface, then simply go to Easy Mesh option and turn it on. Here, in this example, we are using TP-Link Archer BE230 BE3600 Wi-Fi 7 router. Always ensure your primary router is set up as main router for this Easy Mesh to work. Next, suppose we are adding a second Easy Mesh compatible router to this network, then we will first have to make sure that second router is powered on and have the latest firmware on it. Also ensure it is reset to factory default settings and is currently plugged in. Moreover, you will need to log in into the second router's web management page or access it through app and turn on the Easy Mesh settings as we did on our primary router. Also, the most important part, we will have to change its mode to satellite router. Next, on your primary router's web management page, click on Add Satellite Device and then tap on plus icon to add that router and finally click on Add. Now, if you want to add a TP-Link compatible extender to this Easy Mesh network, then first ensure you have enabled the Easy Mesh settings on your TP-Link extender. You can watch video given in the description to learn how to log in into TP-Link web management page to access the Easy Mesh settings. Once enabled, then press the WPS button on your TP-Link Easy Mesh main router and your TP-Link Easy Mesh compatible extender. Now, within 2 minutes, the extender will get connected to this Easy Mesh network and it will pick up the same network and password as your main routers automatically. You just have to follow the same steps that we did for this Wi-Fi extender. If you own an Easy Mesh compatible router or extender from any other different brand, simply press WPS on the main Easy Mesh router, followed by pressing the WPS on your satellite unit from other brands, and they will form a big mesh Wi-Fi system. If you don't know what WPS button looks like, then watch video given in the description. Also, after successful setting up the satellite nodes, you can place them halfway from the router, an area with weak Wi-Fi, and you will see tremendous speed increase in Wi-Fi at that location. And lastly, if this video helped, hit like and subscribe. And if you have any doubts or comments, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll surely help you out with it. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a blessed day.